Hey guys, today we're making an origami type flower bouquet out of only one supply, which are post-it notes. So let's get right to it. First, you need to get one post-it note. The colour is your choice. I'm going to do pink, personally. So the first thing is that you need to fold the first bit, then you take it to another angle and then roll it like so. And it should sort of have like this rose kind of shape at the top. Then you twist it from the bottom. Just don't twist it all the way up to the top, just like this. But you should still be able to see the top bit. Then you leave that aside and grab a green post-it note, or whichever of your choice, and you do little cuts, 4 to be exact, and you bend them out. Then you put the rose and start rolling this on top. You put this. You don't have to do the ripped part, but I chose to do it to add that more plant effect. Then you twist the green as well and try and push the pink back in. You twist the green and there you have it, a rose. Then you can make as many more of these as you like, but I'm not going to make any more. I'm just going to use my previous ones. Then you take any colour choice you would like and you take it. And as you can see, I made a cone here. I'm going to show you how to make it, although it must be pretty obvious. So you take this from one side and you try and like level it however you like, and you sort of just stick it with the sticky part of the post-it note, as you can see I'm doing. And this is like the sort of shape it should turn out as. Then you can organise your little flowers however you would choose to. And I'm going to do them personally like this. Trying to make it. And there you have it, a little flower bouquet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe and put on the notification bell so you don't miss out on amazing videos like these. Bye!